recording.
Alright. Today on this episode, we're gonna make some fucking food.
Shit.
Anime little bro.
Yeah, anime
Grab your
bro.
little fucking... You grab this and you fucking put it up because you know what, you're not supposed to use actual shit.
Okay.
Shit, vegetable oil. Now, you put your milk up that you just bought just for chocolate milk. Fucking pull out the fridge.
Jesus.
You put this little thing in there gently because you bought it. Holy shit. This is not supposed to happen.
The shots I'm getting are so fucking ridiculous.
Get in there, you fucking whore.
That's what they all say. Candy cure.
Alright. You close that because you're kind of scarred from that. You look at the camera.
What about the
here.
chicken?
What chicken?
That. What did that chicken do to you?
It didn't marry me.
Oh.
Now you fucking... I'm possessed. See this row here? It says, look, it says, pull from opening.
Here you go, kill yourself.
No, it says pull from...
Oh, well, I guess we don't need the
You
knife.
grab these and you're like, ooh,
Oh, fuck.
that feels really good.
What the fuck?
And you grab this. You grab just one because that's all you need right now. And you're like, ooh, daddy. Now you take it out and you set it down. You're done. And that's how you make eggs. You stop it, you fucking ghost, you fucking poltergeist whore. Fucking kick in your
Alright, do the outro.
Alright. What we're really gonna be doing is fucking making chicken fingers because we're fucking badasses.
Okay.
Time to check my snap. My fucking friend Snapchatted me. Oh, I'm getting annoyed. Can you tell?
Okay. A little Ratchet Chef, I guess? Because, you know, we're actually cooking. If you did not know. We are actually cooking, as you can see. I don't know what
We're going hunting. Oh,
what the fuck?
sorry, flashback. Alright. So we're making chicken fingers.
Okay.
So what you do, you grab your knife. You have to have a hand for this. Put it on me. And this is how you make chicken fingers.
Oh, no,
Then
you go like, don't you go like this? Instead of like...
Don't tell me how to do my job.
Shit.
You fucking chop your finger off. Fuck.
Do you actually do it?
Put them in there.
Oh, fuck. How
Yeah.
many fingers did you cut?
Enough to know you're a whore.
Okay.
Now, you regrow them.
And then you cut them off again?
No, you fucking idiot. Why would you cut your own fucking fingers off? Anyways.
Okay.
You look at them and you're like, your mother never loved you.
It smells like gas over here.
Because you're over there by yourself. You fucking whore. Alright. Anyways. Yeah.
You make sure it's on the temperature you would like. And then, and just then,
Ah! My toe! Oh, shit.
you get what you like and you don't go fit. Bah.
Why?
Now you kill your cameraman because you don't have enough money to pay
Wait,
him.
what?
Yeah. Now you slit your wrist.
and that's how you cook.
No, it's not.
Hey,